Hi, I'm Tom with a list of interesting things, and welcome to the second of two videos on Split Rock Quarry. The first was on the park. Check that out in the corner. It's pretty cool. This one is on the main attraction. Today on the list of interesting places is the supposedly haunted rock crusher of Split Rock Quarry. I've left this video pretty much unedited, so if you catch any movement or lights or sounds that I don't, please let us know. Remember to subscribe to stay up to date on all the most interesting and all the most haunted things. Let's dive right in.
Inside here, is where people say it's haunted?
Yes.
Ooh.
And I maybe this was the site of the explosion? But I feel like if that was the site of the explosion, we'd have much more damage on this thing. That being said, I don't know how much damage has already been done to this thing. I don't know what it used to look like.
Yeah, this thing seems pretty robust, man. I can't tell how these pictures are from the right sun.
Whoa.
We're gonna go kidnap Amy. Amy Heiss.
Yeah.
This must have been where they stored milled stone, right?
Wow.
I'm fine. I'm high.
How do they get up there to do that? Classic. That's so tall.
Wait, so you're telling me that this thing in here is the haunted place?
No. Oh, it's like in the...
There are yeah, you can enter these two walls. I know that much.
Oh, it's scary. Oh, there's so much garbage. This could use so many garbage bags to...
Oh, hell yes. Go ahead.
Whoa.
Oh my gosh. Oh.
It's so cold.
This thing.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Is what I call.
Yeah, our esteemed tour guide gave me one piece of advice. When you get inside the arms, look up.
Okay.
You can get in and up there.
You can get...
You can.
Yeah. Next time.
Next time. Next time we make it a journey of this thing. I'll have a more powerful flashlight then too.
Come on in, the water's fine. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Oh, there we go.
Oh, wait.
My light's on the fritz.
I don't know. Here. I'm gonna just find that. Can you play?
Okay, I can see why people call this haunted. It's fucking spooky down these two halls.
Okay. I just need to find it. Oh, I have... I'm dumb. I have gloves.
No, this?
Yeah, that might be better. Does it... Thank you. Alright. You know, let's just... It's daytime. It's good.
I am recording, yes? Sean?
Yes.
Oh, wait, guys, wait for me.
Of course.
Okay.
You want to be in the middle?
No, it's okay. Maybe.
Whoa.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Wow. That's so... Oh. Tricky on the eye.
You can see your breath. Slight.
Just one.
Just fine, don't worry. Yeah, there's actually, I think that's a piece of ice right there.
Holy sh**.
Oh my gosh. Oh wait, it leads out. Somewhere.
9 footing.
Yeah.
20 bottles around here we may just crush.
Yeah.
This is oppressive darkness coming from pure daylight.
It really is.
That is, what? Is that skin lotion?
Yeah. You gotta keep hydrated.
That's a good point.
Oh, jeez. Oh. No, just a wall.
Oh, I saw this from above.
Wow.
Guys,
What?
giant chunk of ice.
Whoa.
Wow.
I don't even know where that came from.
I don't know.
I am almost inclined to go in here.
Yeah.
It leads back up to where I thought the explosion was.
Oh.
You're correct.
What?
I just hit my
You
head.
okay?
Oh my
I
God.
just hit my head. You're fine.
Okay. It's very dark. Oh.
You good?
Yeah. Wow. Oh, God, I want to look in there.
Do it.
I mean,
Do it.
okay. Yeah, it's just a rock, but it's,
Oh my god.
yeah. It's like, yeah. Oh, should we do, no, you know what? I don't think I'm gonna do the app.
I don't think you're gonna do the what?
The app thing.
Fair.
I mean, kind of if you guys are feeling it.
I'm down. It's up to you.
Yeah, go nuts.
Okay, alright. I'm gonna stay in the middle though.
Go ahead.
I don't know how accurate it is, but we're gonna give it a shot. Okay. It's ghost tree. Oh, am I missed one? Oh.
You good?
Yeah.
Oh. Alright. I don't know if that's a good sign that it does that. Is anything here? Anything that can communicate through this? Ah! Jesus.
Jesus. Christ.
Well, Chelsea, ask something else.
Was that
That's actually very deep.
farther? It said farther.
That's really deep.
Um,
Up there.
farther. Never. Okay, is someone here with us? Can I get a yes or no? Okay, I'll take that as a yes. Are you in there?
Do you not want me looking up there? Because I'm curious, but yeah, I want to respect your privacy.
Oh,
Oh.
it's not doing any. No.
Hold on. Can you hear a like almost cicada-like buzzing from up there? Just stop.
Maybe there's just.
only when your head's tilted a certain direction.
I don't think it's. Yeah. It is.
Yes. Fascinating.
Huh. I don't know that it's gonna say. It's not giving me additional words. I may. Can you think of a question? Anything?
How you doing, man?
What do you want?
Yeah.
I think we know.
Some. Oh. Asylum.
Oh, you know the asylum guys? Hey, can you smell it on us?
I'm gonna close it out. Goodbye.
What's in there?
Rocks. Rocks and dirt.
Okay.
Although, in fairness, really cool rocks and dirt.
Oh, that's cool rocks and dirt.
want.
Someone was having a lot of fun.
Wow.
Is that Ann or Andy? I think that's Andy.
I don't know.
You can hang out right there, friend.
Yeah.
I can hear something almost like it's coming from the roof. Do you get that? I mentioned it goes away. Weird. Maybe it's my tinnitus.
Maybe, or maybe someone walking on top of it.
It's almost like, you know, when water's going through something and you can almost hear it like, yes, sizzle isn't really the right word, but oscillate?
Yeah.
It's like that.
What do you think back there about that rock? Those rocks could have just tumbled.
I doubt it.
They could have.
I could.
Look at these sick rebar handholds.
Yeah, right? They're like rebar tree guides.
Wow, it's so much warmer out here.
Isn't it?
Thanks, Tom.
Yeah.
That was, let's use the word unsettling. If you missed the Split Rock video, check it out. And until next time, be like the Split Rock rock crusher. Imposing and powerful. And, active? And just barely creepy enough that people still want to hang around. And above all, be interesting. I'll see you next time.
Now I'm rooting for that small dog.
Yeah.
Now I'd hang out with him after work, you know?
Yeah, he's got to do so much more work to keep up with them than the big dog does.